Hi from Tash Tires. I've got a WiLL Cypha here. It's part of a group, and I'm just going to show you how to replace the wiper blades. And these are wipers that we're going to replace. Now, obviously, these are modified wipers. Now, on the bottom of the wiper here, if you come around, I'll show you. On the bottom here, there's a little clip. So you push that in, and then pull the wipers down. That comes out straight. You've got a new one. Got the new ones out already. What you need is, if you want a part number for this as well, it's a 55 centimeter by 22 inch A55. That's all you need, champion wipers. And to replace these already got the clips on them. So all you do, push in, and then gently you lift it up. That's it, job done. So you do the same thing with the other side. Push down, wiper out. Make sure you don't let this loose, so if it does drop on your windscreen, you will damage it. So I've got the second one out, which is a lot shorter than the other one. Now, easy way again, push in, gently pull forward, and that's it, job done. Now we're just going to run them, make sure they're all working. So it's cleaned up now. That's all you got to do on yours. Any more information, not about this particular car, but if you do need anything about your car, need to know anything about your car, give us a shout and we'll try helping you out. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.